Samsung released an official teaser of all the S21 variants 1 month before the launch, and I don't know if it was intentional or a mistake. The official colors of all S21 variants was also revealed courtesy of Ice Universe, and there's confirmation that Samsung is gonna follow Apple's footsteps with the removal of the charger in the box of the S21 series. If you want to stay up to date with all the latest tech news, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. So Ice Universe posted on Twitter the true colors of all S21 variants. The entry-level S21 is gonna come in gray, white, pink and purple. The S21 Plus is gonna have black, silver, pink and purple, and the S21 Ultra is gonna have the same colors as the S20 Ultra, so just black and silver, which is kind of disappointing to those who want the Ultra but with more interesting colors. Also, a teaser video of all the S21 variants was leaked, and the devices look absolutely amazing. It shows the triple camera layout of the S21 and S21 Plus in the module that extends out of the frame. The different color accent also looks really good. The S21 Ultra also looks stunning with a much better camera module than the S20 Ultra. Now, Samsung could have released these videos intentionally to build hype for the devices, or maybe someone leaked the videos. Either way, the devices look amazing. So Samsung has a bad habit of mocking Apple for doing something stupid, then going right ahead to do the exact same stupid thing. It happened with the headphone jack when Samsung made an entire series of ads just to mock Apple for removing the headphone jack. And they went ahead and took out the headphone jack just 1 year after. And now it's happening again with the accessories that should come in the box of every brand new device. Apple shipped its iPhone 12 series without a charger or earphones in the name of saving the environment. But they aren't giving the accessories to people who ask for them after buying the iPhone 12. Rather, they're selling the charger separately for $20, which from a business perspective is actually a pretty smart business move, but it's not fair to the consumers. So we all expected every other Android company to follow suit, and Samsung is gonna be the first, as the S21 series have been confirmed to ship without a charger or earphones in the box. Now, this isn't surprising because we've heard it before, but back then it was just a rumor and it was expected to happen in the second half of next year. But the rumor was not entirely correct, and it's gonna start with the S21 series. To be fair, wired earphones are actually fading away, so that shouldn't be an issue. And this wouldn't be a big deal if Samsung doesn't go the Apple route and actually provides a charger for free to S21 buyers who ask for it. I can't wait to see the bullshit reason Samsung is gonna give during the S21 keynote for removing the accessories from the box, or if they're just gonna ignore it like they did with the headphone jack. Anyway, let me know what you think about Samsung not including a charger in the S21 series in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.